Namaste, I'm Pratibha. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मेरे लास्ट वीडियो जो मैंने उनजीसी अपार्टमेंट पे डाला था बहुत सारा उसे प्यार दिया है और मेरे काम को सराहा भी है, तो उस चीज़ के लिए आप सभी को दिल से धन्यवाद। और पिछले 1 या 1.5 महीनों से मैं कोई वीडियो नहीं डाल पाई क्योंकि अभी हम राजा मंदिर से देहरादून शिफ्ट हो चुके हैं और शिफ्टिंग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऊपर नीचे चल रही थी, बहुत सारा डिस्टर्बेंस भी हो रहा था, इस वजह से वीडियो नहीं आ पाया। और लास्ट और ओएनजीसी जो मैंने लास्ट वीडियो ओएनजीसी अपार्टमेंट पे डाला था उस पे आप लोगों ने उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, अप्रेंटिस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस थे, अपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस थे, ओएनजीसी से रिलेटेड ओएनजीसी जॉब रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस थे। तो उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का जो मैं रिप्लाई दे सकती थी उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का मैंने रिप्लाई दिया। और बाकी के वो सारे क्वेश्चन जिनका मैं नहीं दे सकती थी मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का रिप्लाई वो दें जिन्हें ऑलरेडी 38 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरे फादर इन लॉ। तो आज का जो Q&A सेशन है वो मेरे फादर के साथ है, उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का आपको आज जवाब मिल जाएगा इस वीडियो में जो आप लोग जानना चाहते थे। और हाँ, एक चीज़ और मुझे पता चला है कि अप्रेंटिस की जो लास्ट डेट है वो 17 अगस्त है। तो अप्रेंटिस से रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं आप कमेंट कर देना क्योंकि लास्ट वीडियो में भी आप लोगों ने अप्रेंटिस से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे और मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं मैं उन सारे क्वेश्चंस का रिप्लाई दे सकूँ और आप लोगों की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं मदद कर सकूँ। थैंक यू।
Good evening, viewers. This is grand time to be with you after my retirement. I am lucky to share my thoughts with you on various aspects of ONGC. ONGC started way back in 1956 and we celebrated 60 years, that is Diamond Jubilee in 2006. Now we are further ahead by 13 years. So hope to have a grand celebration on 75th anniversary. Mean the time so many ups and down in the oil market, as you must have seen. There was a great time in 1991 that also we passed off very coolly, taking ONGC at all high time. Thereafter again Mammoth started in 2014. Further we are witnessing a very high class of drama in the market, oil market, starting from 2019 mid session, and we had real big high voltage drama on in 2020 in the month of February, when suddenly the oil price dipped to all time low of $0, nearly $0. That is all sabotage with oil industry. I tell you, as long as coal market is prevailing, the oil and gas market will continue to excel the pace with the coal market. Coal is supposed to be more dangerous for environment, whereas oil and gas, they are more friendly. Gas is the best friendly to the environment, will not have any kind of inconvenience even if you are burning a lot of gas, using a lot of gas. To our surprise, ONGC is producing about 70% of the national production of gas and 60% of the oil production of the nation. Right now we are facing a great challenge to switch over various mode to the latest requirement of industries. Getting tuned up with that, we need heavy capital. As you know, we are chasing all our targets with bold steps and so many corrective measures right from top to bottom of the industry. I am sure it will take a long way. To understand your questions, I have tried my level best to fulfill your desire, but you are free to open your question anytime, later session also. I am sure you will be greatly satisfied with our discussions, and if there is any anomaly, let us know so that we can come up further with the better clarification so as to take advantageous position of yours in the oil market. All the best to every one of you. Thank you. प्रतिभा, मेरी बहू, अब क्वेश्चन आंसर शुरू करो.
ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मृत्युंजय यादव का, क्या यूपी स्टेट के लिए ओएनजीसी में जॉब आती है?
यूपी स्टेट के लिए अलग से जॉब नहीं आती। उत्तराखंड और यूपी स्टेट शुरू से ही एक साथ रहे, अब दोनों में अलगाव हो गया है 2000 का ऑनवर्ड्स। तो उत्तराखंड में हेडक्वार्टर होने की वजह से अभी उत्तराखंड के थ्रू ही हम सारा मैनेज करते हैं।
ओके, सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सौरभ शेखर, सैलरी कितनी है इन डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग?
इट इज अबाउट 50,000।
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सत्या, इज गर्ल एलिजिबल फॉर ओएनजीसी जॉब?
Yeah, very well eligible in all walk of ONGC activity, there is no doubt. My ladies friends, young friends, they go to offshore also, onshore also, office, everywhere. There is no denial to any form of ONGC access.
So next question अविचल झा का है, आई एम फ्रॉम ऑर्डिनरी प्राइवेट कॉलेज एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू ज्वाइन 2 years कोर्स इन मेड इजी फॉर गेट, विल कॉलेज मैटर इन माई प्रिपरेशन इन ओएनजीसी और एनटीपीसी?
No, not at all. College doesn't matter, but your position in the college, that is grade in the college matters. We like to have ONGC, in ONGC at least first class division. So if you are satisfied with that and 2 years course you are doing, that will pave the way for you and it will be grand. Thank you.
So अभिनव का क्वेश्चन है, कैन एन ओएनजीसी एम्प्लॉय डू ट्रेडिंग, स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग? इफ आंसर इज नो, आस्क वेदर वी कैन डू ट्रेडिंग यूजिंग फादर और मदर पैन एंड अकाउंट डिटेल्स?
During our office hours or field hours, you will not be able to do the training. Whenever you are moving to the field, it is far-flung areas, right from 30 kilometer to 120 kilometer, depends on which project you are working. So while you are traveling also, you cannot get connected with internet. More oftenly you will be offline. So my friend, you can never do that trading part during ONGC life. In morning it is, if you are starting whole day, you will be busy with your activities. And if suppose you are in night shift, again night shift, if you are doing your work, day time you will sleep. Where is the time for you? Moreover, for parent also you cannot do because of busyness with ONGC. Yes, you can do it privately with some other agency, acceptable. Thank you.
So next question है, there are any people who were offshore throughout their journey because of no transfer even when applied?
My friend, it doesn't happen. After 8 to 10 years of primary posting at one place, you are eligible to apply for any other transfer to onshore or offshore. And again, it is your choice. Company is always there to help you out depending on the priority needed for ONGC. Suppose there is vacancy, definitely you will be entertained to go as and when, wherever you like. Thank you.
Next question is, can they run any YouTube channel or tour blogs or gaming channel?
You can run, but not in office time. If you do any kind of this kind of business, you will be totally thrown out of gear from ONGC. Nobody will like as a subordinate using this YouTube or game or any other facilities. Only thing is, we are made to work for ONGC. Let us strengthen ONGC. Thank you.
So next question is, safety is a myth in ONGC. I heard it many times. Crashes drilling department is so harsh. Is it?
Safety is round the clock business. It is the job of every officer and every official. It is paramount. So therefore, compromise with safety is never a cause. It is zero tolerance business. Meaning is, all the time we have to imbibe all high standards of safety as per the international OISD, DGMS, all the internal external auditor. We have to imbibe all kind of safety cultures so as to avoid any kind of accident in the field. Thank you.
So next question is from Divyanshu Mishra. Do you know about facilities provided to A2 level?
Yeah, it is all same facility more or less. All people are entitled for air journey soon after they are finishing their duty period in the field, and as soon as they go home, they while going and coming, they will get airfare. So it is extraordinary facility to even staff level employees also in ONGC. Thank you.
ओके, विजय भास्कर रेड्डी ने पूछा है, हाउ मेनी ईयर्स हैज़ योर फादर वर्क इन ONGC? वॉज ही प्लेस्ड एट ऑफ शोर एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ हिज जॉब?
Yeah, friend, I have worked 38 plus years total in ONGC. Out of that, 10 years in offshore areas and remaining 28 years in onshore plus institute areas. You will be surprised to note I have been faculty as well as principal of the school, well controlled school at IDT, Institute of Drilling Technology, for nearly 14 years at a stretch, and we could get a lot of bonanza for undertaking the privilege, that is to train the various people, various executives coming to IDT from abroad as well as from nation, from different companies at national level to get the IWCF training done. IWCF training is the one which is imparted to every individual who is serving in oil installations, particularly in drilling fraternity. All the best.
Okay. Next question is, there any accidents occurred in the rigs or platform while he was at offshore, or any helicopter crashes?
Yeah, one of the accident occurred when I was there at Sagar Prabhat. Flight for Badrinath. It was nearby to us, about 10 nautical miles away from Sagar Prabhat. It was landing there, but unfortunately due to bad weather, it lost the vision and suddenly it crashed to the water, and we lost 7 lives. So after that it was great challenge for us to conduct the sortie next time at Sagar Prabhat. You will not be able to imagine the kind of afraidness, or people were so much scared to travel by chopper. I had to take the lead. I took my entire crew along with me to go to from offshore to the onshore, and we landed safely. So it is great challenging in oil industry. Every nook and corner there is a challenge. We have to face it and ensure that all the people are accustomed to it, to face it in very friendly manner without getting scared or creating scare to the others. Thank you.
Next question from Sovik Saha. Does a chemist go for the onshore duty throughout his or her life, or it's for first 10 to 15 years of onshore and then office duty?
My friends, office duty, field duty is not no boundary level is there. If you remember, I was there 38 years, still I was going to the site. On the verge of retirement also, I had traveled many of our PSAs, that is production site accommodation, and DSA, daily site accommodations, plus various installations during my last year of service. So there is no such boundary. It depends on amount of work you are interested. Suppose you are having quality oriented checking, definitely you will have to go to the field. You have to be in the office to complete the paper formalities. Now you can work at the office by staying in the field also. It is all interconnected. You have the SAP and various modules to convey your feelings in terms of taking the procurements or getting the items at your doorstep before you go for any kind of projects. Thank you.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो सौरभ शेखर की तरफ से है. पहला क्वेश्चन है, सैलरी कितनी है स्टार्टिंग का इन डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग, एंड क्या ऑफशोर ऑनशोर वाली जॉब स्टाइल होल लाइफ करनी पड़ती है सबको? मेनली केमिस्ट को कितना वर्कलोड झेलना पड़ता है दूसरे पोस्ट के मुकाबले?
About chemist or any other executive, the pay is about 70,000 at E1 level, that is first level of officer, plus some perks are also there. So it depends on the posting. Suppose you are in offshore, definitely you will go for on-off facility. Onshore also, most of the places it is on-off facilities. Some of the places where the installations are nearby or the sites are nearby, you have easily accessibility from your living place. You can go in the morning, come back in the evening. But most of the places we are trying to inculcate the habit of 28 days or 14 days on off. So you will have to go as a chemist to work in the field to ensure that parameters are being maintained in drilling fluid engineering or surface engineering or wherever any chemistry is involved. As you know, chemistry is the blood of the drilling fluid engineering. Therefore, chemistry is the very instrumental department to ensure the proper rheology of drilling fluid. Your role is really important. You have to be concerned with the field so as to ensure you are strengthening ONGC and producing the best result out of your availability. All the best.
ओके सौरभ शेखर का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है। और मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि गवर्नमेंट ने ज़बरदस्ती HPCL को ONGC में मर्ज करके ONGC की हालत बहुत ख़राब कर दी है। ONGC का कैपिटल भी बहुत कम हो गया है अभी, तो क्या इससे अभी भी सेफ जॉब कह सकते हैं?
बेटा ये 100% सेफ जॉब है। ऐसा क्यों तुम लोग फील करते हो? डोंट गेट कैरीड अवे बाय दिस मार्केट पीपल. They keep governing everything in favor of them. Suppose they want to drive the prices down, they talk anything about ONGC. But I tell you, ONGC is never on the back foot. They are always leading. They will be the leader throughout. As you know, the government policy is likely to come to merge all the PSUs together of oil sector, that is upstream and downstream sector, just to make the leading role in the world market. Similarly, the banks are also likely to have the decision to unite most of the banks together. So you will see this kind of policy will come very frequently in India, just to have better survival rate. Now, as far as capital is concerned, it is not a problem. Right now we are selling through one of the bond. I am sure the 5,000 crore bond will be damn success in the market, and there will not be any crunch for ONGC. No issue. All the best.
Okay, next question is from Chetan Sharma. ONGC apprentice को सैलरी कितनी मिलेगी?
Apprentices they are getting 10,000 per month salary total, and they have to arrange for accommodation, food and everything on their own. Whatever office procedures are there, official parties are there, they are entertained all the time to be with part of that, and they are also family member of ONGC as long as they are continuing with ONGC as apprentice. It will give them good exposure to be with ONGC in different forums, different kind of sections. So it is another grand opportunity as apprentice to be with ONGC. Best wishes.
Okay, next question is from Chiku Govardhan. Is there any job in ONGC Rajamundry for ECE students? Can we decide our workplace in ONGC?
Friends, you have to move as per the instruction from ONGC. The headquarter collects all the requirements from different projects, and then they process whenever such requirements are on. It is not that we are placing the people on their own or on our own. It depends on the requirement from various work centers. As and when the work center comes out with the requirement, it is placed at the headquarter level. Totality we see how many are required in which branch. Accordingly, the advertisement is given and selection procedure is done so as to ensure that much strength lies with particular asset to carry forward the mission of ONGC grand success. Thank you.
अगला क्वेश्चन मनिक त्यादे ने पूछा है, ONGC में रस्ट अबाउट की पोस्ट के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
ONGC rust about post is normally for offshore. It is the real grassroots worker at the offshore, and they handle most of the manual labor issues. Wherever such requirements are there, such as mainly loading and unloading of the chemicals, we have got various kind of forklifts ranging from 5 ton to 10 tons. Forklift is the one which is used for carrying the chemicals from one place to other place in terms of load. So then they don't have to carry the load on their back. They have to carry with the device given in the floater in other workplaces. So manual job is very less. All the best.
Next question from Abhinav. People say we can carry laptop to ONGC but not phone. Is it?
Now you can carry both. There is no such problem, and you have to keep both together. Even at senior level, also we are carrying both together. That is laptop as well as our basic mobile phones. So mobile phone is the one which is needed for getting you connected all across ONGC and even outside as and when required. Whereas the laptop is the one where you can do all the major works. Whenever you want to send some of the documents in the bigger roll or file size is big, you need the laptop to help you and keep your eyes intact for longer run of service. All the best.
Okay. So next question is also from Abhinav. Flight tickets for offshore are free.
Yeah, it is all free for offshore, onshore, both the places. Nothing to worry about the flight.
CTC for gate mechanical people and in hand salary.
CTC, it is very high. It is nearly 2 lakhs per employee, average 2 lakhs per employees. Plus other facilities, they also come apart from that. So total it will be about 2.5 nearly, if we account for everything.
Satellites phones always have a queue. Is it true?
Satellite phones are needed in offshore areas where accessibility is very poor, and you believe us that we can talk with any part of the world with the satellite phones while staying 100 nautical miles away from the shore in the offshore areas. So that has been very good facility in ONGC right from the day we joined in 1982. I have seen this kind of immersed facility was available, and now so much advancement has been done. The rates are so much easy now. You don't have to pay that much money when you talk international from offshore areas. So all the best.
Can we get to onshore after 10 to 15 years of service, or is it still a 50-50 chance?
See, whatever requirements comes from different assets, accordingly the posting is made. So it depends. Suppose you are posted in Ankleshwar, you will be there for initially 6 to 8 years. After 8 years, definitely you will get a choice posting. Normally they ask for choice, but some of the time it is mandatory for ONGC to keep people posted. Therefore, they will issue the orders saying that first get ready for 3 months and then final order will come before the academic session starts, so as to facilitate the wards, boys, girls, to get their admissions in time wherever the transfer is due. Thank you.
So this question is also from Abhinav. If I got a choice to choose from ONGC, NTPC, IOCL, what would be the best?
ONGC is the best challenge master. I tell you, all kind of challenges you come across. Logistic, oh my God, how much logistic issues are there. Right from helicopter to supply boat to truck, trailer, mini DCM and whatnot. Look at the communication. You are connected throughout the centers to offshore, onshore, all the supply vessels everywhere. Look at the logging. Oh, take any kind of logging down below the earth. It is all available with ONGC. So plenty of challenges wherever you go, whichever walk of life you enjoy in ONGC, you will have full of technology. And you know, offshore is the first one to start the newer technologies, and then after onshore comes to change that technology, make sure that all entire ONGC improves and go ahead with the best performance they can. With this, thank you.
And next question is Sri Ramya ji ka. How is it for a female to join in ONGC as HR, even graduate trainee? And does ONGC considered females choice for ONGC base location?
Yeah, there is no bar for male and female. Both are entitled for all work of ONGC activity in the field as well as in the office. For HR personnel, for other executives, there is no discrimination. All of you are free to join ONGC at any location, depending on what choice you are having and what ONGC is preferring the choice. Finally, the preference of ONGC will matter in deciding your posting.
Okay. यशी कैन का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इज ओएनजीसी गोइंग टू बी privatized?
No, not at all. Not at all. No question at all. ONGC will be made more responsible now by joining many more PSUs along with ONGC.
ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन नंदिनी का है, व्हाट इज ऑनशोर एंड ऑफशोर ड्यूटी एंड आल्सो एक्सप्लेन अबाउट वर्किंग डेज फॉर केमिस्ट पोस्ट.
Onshore, offshore duty, there is not fixed for anyone. Suppose you are posted in offshore, after 8 years or 10 years you will be posted or transferred to onshore assets. There also the same kind of job. You have to maintain the mud parameters if you are on the drilling rig, if you have to maintain the oil parameters if you are at the installation, production installations. So likewise, all these features depends on where you are posted. If you are in the lab, you will be doing all kind of testing and future programs, sampling, bonding, analysis of the samples coming from different vendors. So a lot of jobs are there for you. You are the simply mainstream to run everything is smooth. Unless blood is pure, body will never be good. So that is the psychology in ONGC also. Chemistry has to perform at the top level to ensure output or all kind of products in ONGC are in proper shape. Thank you.
सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ऋषभ मंगलम का, मैंने वहाँ का अप्रेंटिस का फॉर्म को अप्लाई किया है और मैम प्लीज़ मेरे को वहाँ काम करना है, मेरिट पर बन रहा है, प्लीज़ डू मी अ फेवर.
Yeah, dear, you will get opportunity to work wherever you are wishing it for apprenticeship. So merit is there, of course, but choice is always given to the top merit people. After that, suppose some of them resign or some of them walk off ONGC in the hunt of some other jobs, then others will come into ONGC. So waiting list continues. So don't get disheartened. Your choice and your heart will ensure that you are coming to ONGC. Thank you. Hello friends. Now this is real time to get my heart with you. Number one, never feel any kind of boredom while enjoying the work at any place of ONGC. I tell you, we love the people, we love the work, we love the environment, we love every section of society so as to make sure that all are with us. I tell you, without environment, without local people, without friendship with all your youngsters and seniors, we can never progress in any of ONGC activities. It is teamwork, it is joint effort, it is dedicated job, it is most dedicated job. So therefore all have to be together. Unless togetherness is there, unless discipline is there, unless feeling for each one is there, unless share and care is there, we cannot succeed in any of the missions of ONGC, whether it is offshore or onshore. So we feel all of you as a part of family, those who are willing to come to ONGC. Even last year I never allowed anyone to leave ONGC for sake of other organization. Only thing is they were trying to work for IS and other allied services. I just told them that you can go ahead, and if you succeed, no doubt it is another hyper activities. You can always welcome those kind of challenges in the life. So it is up to you which way you like to have, but I tell you it is the most challenging, most rewarding and most satisfied manner to continue with ONGC. You will never feel any crunch of money. I tell you, it is the paymaster. It keeps on paying us every time we need, and I never feel any even feeling of taking the loans from the banks. It is just largesse for you. Once you start enjoying the work, once you start enjoying your family life, once you start feeling others as a family, you will love to work with ONGC. You will never see any kind of time, how the time passes, and you will love to join back again soon after your holidays are over. So, it is really good mission to continue. Always pay respect to your gurus, your masters, your controlling officers, your subordinates, all are gurus. And without gurus, the oil industry can never succeed. We work with cooperation, we expect the cooperation and total satisfaction from one another. That is the way of life. So, all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.